In English, what we call a phrasal verb is typically made up of a verb plus a particle. In syntactic theory, the particle up isn't a preposition because prepositions require an object. Here, it functions as a particle head. These constructions can be transitive or intransitive. Did you know that the word up often means more in English? Not just physically moving toward the sky, but moving toward a state of completion or total preparation. Today, we're unlocking one of the core meanings of up in phrasal verbs: preparation. When we add up to a verb, it suggests that the action is done thoroughly, so we are 100% ready for what comes next. English uses this logic to organize our actions. Let's look at 3 powerful examples. Gear up. When you gear up, you don't just get gear, you equip yourself completely for a specific task. The players gear up for the big game. The company is gearing up for a product launch. She geared up mentally before giving the big presentation. It means to prepare by getting the necessary tools or mindset ready. Line up. This one is about organization. When things line up, they move into a state of order, so the process can begin. The students line up for lunch. We need to line up our speakers for the event. Everything is lining up perfectly for the project to start on time. It suggests that once everything is in a line, the preparation phase is finished and we're ready to move. Pack up. When you pack up, you aren't just putting items in a box, you're finishing the task of collecting your things. The campers packed up their gear before the rain started. It's 5 p.m., time to pack up and go home. After the workshop, everyone packed up their materials and cleaned their tables. It signals the completion of a stay or activity by putting everything in its proper place. Here's the pattern. Up often signals a movement toward a final, organized state. Metaphorically, that becomes total readiness, full completion, complete organization. That's the logic behind these phrasal verbs. Understanding particles like up changes everything. Once you see the pattern that up can mean to the finish line, you don't just memorize phrasal verbs, you understand them.